So up to now you have solved some of the examples, by that how to find the HCF of the given pair of integers. So now this one is the different one. So here you have to show that every positive odd integer is of the form what here 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Okay. So already you have studied how to find the SCF of the given pair of integers. Okay. So here you have to show that every positive odd integer means 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, like that. So 1, 3, 5, these are the odd integers. So always those every positive odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1, where q is any integer, okay, some integer. So for that you have to consider a as what here. How to solve this means, so consider a as what here, a as a positive odd integer. Okay, first of all you have to consider one of the number, that's one of the integer, as generally a as a positive odd integer. Okay, and as you have told here, that is always in the form of 2q plus 1. So if you see this equation, you will come to know this is the same as the RHS part of the what here, Euclid's division lemma. Okay, what is the RHS part of the Euclid's division lemma? The condition is A is equal to BQ plus R here. Okay, as A is equal to BQ plus R, so this RHS part, right hand side of the Euclid's division lemma, is same as that of this equation. So it is the value of b here. In the place of b, you have the value of that b as what here, 2. So that you have to consider as, and the value of b as what here equal to 2. So first you have to consider generally a as one of a positive odd integer. Why I have to take positive odd integer only means, in the question they told to show that every positive odd integer is only the form of 2q plus 1. So that's why we have to consider generally a as a positive odd integer. And by seeing this equation, in the place of b of the RHS part of the division lemma, you have the b value as 2 here. You have to compare this equation to the RHS part of the what, Euclid's division lemma, and you have to get the value of b there. Okay, you will get the value of b as what here, 2. So as you have the condition for the Euclid's division lemma is what here, a is equal to bq plus r, and you have the condition for the remainder. So what is the remainder condition? Always the r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b here. Okay, so as the value of b is 2, so put the value of b here, 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 2. So the values of r should be in between 0 to 2, and that must be equal to 0 there. Okay, so how can you write the value of r here? So r should maybe equal to 0 here, because 0 is equal to r also, and 0 is less than or equal to r also. Okay, so 0, first one is 0, and next in between 0 to 2. Okay, what is the value? 1 is it. After 0, 1, you cannot take 2 because they told r is less than 2. If you told with the less than or equal to 2 means, you can take r as 2 also, because r is less than 2 is there. So we can take the values of r as 0 and 1 here. Okay, so after that you have to put that in the what, Euclid's division lemma. So what is the Euclid's division lemma? A is equal to bq plus r. So b value is 2 here, and q, you don't put the value of q there. Okay, leave as it is, and the value of a. For the value of first one is, if you consider the value of r as 0 means, you have to write the condition for lemma, Euclid's division lemma, that's 2q plus 0. Okay, that you will get as 2q. And again, if you consider the value of r as 1, so a is equal to 2q plus 1. Okay, so as you know that if you put any value for the q here, if you put here 0, 1, 2, 3 as any integers, you will get as a that's a even number only. So there is a is equal to, if you put here 0 means 2 zeros are 0. If you put here 1, that is what here 2 ones are 2. If you put here value of q as 2, 2 twos are 4. Likewise, for any value of q, you will get the value of a as what here even number, even positive integer only. But here if you put here the value of q as 0, 2 0 0 plus 1, you will get as a odd number. And if you put q as 1, 1 2s are 2 plus 1 as 3, odd number. Similarly, for any value of q as a positive integer, you will get the value of a as what here, positive odd integer only.